Not only is Bitcoin back in the green, it is closing in on an all-time high. Sitting at $106,100, almost $200 right now. Bitcoin is looking very strong. Guys, go on down the market. We are rebounding beautifully today. Things are looking very good. And as a matter of fact, if we've got 10% plus gains to bring us back to where we were last week in these altcoins, we have got very strong moves ahead of us. Now, we're going to be talking about it in this video, because we have got some very good Bitcoin news that we're going to be going over and how we can take advantage of it in some altcoins. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro. Now, I want to go through some of these headlines real quick and just set the stage, because we are nowhere near an altcoin season yet. As a matter of fact, we are sitting at a level of 23 out of 100 for altcoin season. Bitcoin dominance is running right now. Now, it will rotate, and when it does, altcoins and eventually meme coins will soar. I'm going to talk about how we can take advantage of that in a minute here, but let's set the stage with what Bitcoin is doing and some of the reasons it's moving. You cannot deny that Bitcoin will one day be mass adopted by institutions, governments, and retail investors. Now, some of the biggest news surrounding Bitcoin right now is that Jamie Dimon says the bank will let JP Morgan will let clients buy Bitcoin. To be honest with you, I think that they should let clients buy whatever the heck they want to buy, right? As long as it's not illegal, I think they should be allowed to buy it. And that's one of the reasons that I love cryptocurrency. Guys, if you make money, okay, and I get it if you're talking about illegal things out there, but if you make money, you should be able to spend your money on whatever the heck you want to spend your money on. Whether it's a good investment, whether it's a bad investment, whether it's wasteful, whether it's resourceful, it's yours, right? And it has annoyed me over the last several years, and it's happened to me several times, trying to buy cryptocurrency on centralized exchanges, right? You get denied. And then you call your bank, well, are you sure that's what you want to do? We're not going to let you do it. What do you mean? You're going to dictate what I do and don't do with the money that I've earned. So this is a step in the absolute right direction. And this is going to open up cryptocurrency buying for a lot of people. And I believe that this is just one of the first steps, right? This is the direction, the overall direction that the world is going. Come on down here and see some of the other news, right? Bitcoin signaling a golden cross. What does it mean for the price of Bitcoin? Well, it means upside, right? When a 50-day moving average crosses above a 200-day moving average and you have a golden cross, beautiful upside. Bitcoin price falls? Yeah, that was yesterday. Today it's right back up, about to hit a new fresh high. Here's what's in store for Bitcoin, with more than a week above $100,000. Guys, I don't know. Bitcoin may never fall below $100,000 again. People act like it's too late to buy. But as you scroll down and you read through all of these headlines, Bitcoin traders are eyeing $300,000 per coin. Bitcoin could drive economic growth in Michigan. You've got 800 Bitcoin in institutional holdings right here. Bitcoin on track to hit $500,000 as government entities increase their strategy holdings. People all over the world are investing, and it's only going to grow. And as it grows, tokens like Mind of Pepe. This is on down the line. This is not today. This is not tomorrow. This is when altcoin season is in full swing. This is when traders become greedy. This is when investments turn from blue chips like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Solana down into altcoins and then into meme coins. I am looking for every opportunity possible right now. And you guys have seen in a lot of videos that I am very well diversified. One of the latest tokens that I've been diversifying into is Mind of Pepe. Why? AI agents. They're some of the most in-demand tokens and some of the most in-demand technology right now. And Mind of Pepe has created an AI agent. You guys can come out and see this for yourself. Yesterday or the day before, it had like 5,800 followers. Now it's got 6,100 followers. It is out there interacting on X and growing every single day, which is an amazing sign. So if you guys, I'm going to check this out. This is Automate. This is the AI agent right here. If you guys are interested in seeing that AI agent, you got a link down in the description below. It's going to pull up this website right here. And then obviously you can see right here to click on the AI agent. If you want to buy, I have bought into Mind of Pepe, and I'm excited about its future. You can click on buy with crypto or buy with card. And either way, you got to connect a wallet. I like to use and connect my best wallet. It's one of the easiest ones to use with these ICOs because you can continue to see your tokens in your wallet after you purchase them without reconnecting to the website. From there, you type in how much you want. Those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. Eventually, the tech map allows for this AI agent here, this Mind of Pepe AI agent, to create its own tokens based on its niche. Now, it's going to learn about these 6152 followers. It's going to learn what they like, what they don't like. It's going to learn what they respond to, what they don't respond to. And it's going to be able to create tokens that gives exclusive alpha access to anybody willing to buy Mind of Pepe during its ICO. And there's only 10 days left. Guys, if you're looking to get in at potentially one of the lowest prices available, this is the last chance in this ICO. These guys are going to crash through $10 million soon. And hopefully after the launch, they rip up well beyond that, because take a look at Bitcoin right now. As Bitcoin is preparing to hit a new all-time high, as the rotation is preparing to move from Bitcoin to altcoins to meme coins, we have to take advantage of it now. Otherwise, we're going to be buying in at all-time highs. So I've decided to buy into Mind of Pepe along with a vast array of other tokens. Let me know some of the tokens you guys are buying into down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.